Alright guys, so back in the days, this is like 13, 15 years ago, I was the first person to cut a sneaker in half on YouTube. And then my channel got terminated because I watched a stand-up special while I was live streaming. And they terminated all my history. Everything's gone. But I decided to start a whole new channel and up and re-up all the old videos. I'm back on here. So I hope you guys enjoy the history of the first person to cut a sneaker in half on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button. I will truly appreciate it. And it's yeah, subscribe, like, and thank you for that. And enjoy the videos. Peace out. Comment down below for every single video. And yeah, I'll try to give you guys like a brief history of each sneaker that I have. The video's already made, but in the comments, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoy that. And yeah, I can't wait to start uploading those videos again. Can't wait to see you guys there. Alright. Peace out.